I want to take a minute to talk about safety, particularly pool safety. I had a guy I worked with a few years ago, had a pool, had a gate on it. Somebody left the gate open, and his 3-year-old grandson wandered out through the gate and ended up losing his life in the pool. Imagine the weight that person will carry for the rest of their life. So let's talk about pool safety and kids. I've got 6 grandkids. They're in the pool all the time. I watch them like a hawk. I have special locks on the door. But when it comes right down to it, a device like the Hovara Pool Alarm, which has smart detection and instant protection, can alert you when a child falls in the water. I'm just going to give you a roundabout the box. Goes in any pool. It's got a floating design with real-time alerts. There's a remote receiver. It's good for child or pets, and it does prevent accidental drowning. And I only pray that, and it's unfortunate that a friend of mine should have had this product, and his grandson may still be here today. All right. So we're going to take a look at the Hovara Pool Alarm. Open it up. I'm going to show it to you. Comes with the instructions right here. Okay, tells you all about the pool safety alarm. What's in the box, how to put the batteries in it, all that good stuff. Okay? So this is all it is. You're looking at it right here. This is it. Okay? It's got a sensitivity. You can set the sensitivity on this. If you want, you can tie it off to the side of the pool if you want. It says right here, swim mode, power control, delay start. Okay, these buttons up here control all those functions, okay? So let's check it out. We have some accessories in the box below. Let's see what they sent us. It says accessory box right here. Let's see what's in it. A power adapter, a suction cup, a battery, adhesive, screwdriver, attachment cone, home unit, attachment string, spare screws, and hooks. Now this is not something that I'm going to need to set up for myself, but here is your remote. Okay, there's your remote. You can hang this up someplace in the house if you want. Okay. You got a battery. This is a USB. You can charge this with a USB. This is a plug. This is a plug and a charge for the USB for the remote. This is actually the battery that you can put in there. And these are all the other accessories that it comes with. Screwdriver, sticky. You can put this on your pool. Suction cup, screws, hooks, all kinds of things. I am not going to be using these. I'm just demonstrating the product right now. Okay? So as far as this goes, at this point, I believe, if my recollection is correct, and I want to verify that, let's just make sure we know where the screws go. There's 2 screws on the top and the 9-volt battery, so let's get going on that. I'm just going to take the cover off the battery, the plastic cover. Right, there's the 9-volt battery that it comes with. And they give you the screwdriver to take the top off. Okay. It does say right here, please remove this label before use. Okay. Now, somehow this comes off of here. Oh, that's all it is. Just lifts right off. And then we'll put the battery in. And then we'll put this back on. This is where your battery goes. As you can see, it goes right here. We all know how to plug in a 9-volt battery, I hope, at this stage of our life. All right, so here we plug the battery in. Okay. Tuck it down in here, like it says. Oh, I gotta take the battery off, tuck it down, then put the battery in. There we go. All right, there's the battery, all connected. All right. We're gonna plug this right back on here. These buttons are gonna correspond with the 3 buttons right here. All right. There's a little waterproof gasket. I lost a little screw. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. There's a waterproof gasket that when you screw this down, it's going to seal it to waterproof the battery compartment. I close up that gap and seal it right up. All right, you see how that closed that up? I tighten them up. And that's it. All right, that is the major step completed right there. So we did put our battery in there. And let's go plug in our adapter into the socket over here. And we'll get this ready. Okay, we're just going to plug this in like this. It's a USB-C connector. And then we're going to come over here and plug this into the power right now. Okay. Might have to charge up a bit. But we're going to leave that there for now. I don't know, we have to turn this on or hold this button in or something. No. We'll give it the benefit of the doubt. Okay, now to turn the device on, there's a short press of this middle button. You can see that it's on, okay? And if you hit this here, there's a 30-second arming delay. And this is activating swim mode. So in case people are swimming in the pool, you want to hit this. That'll know people are swimming. But press left button while powered on. All right, so I'm going to actually go outside now. When I'm outside, I'm going to hit this button and then put it in the pool. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so like it said, one short press, green button, and then throw it in the pool. It's going to take 30 seconds for it to arm. I think you might be able to hear the alarm on it. So that happened after the 30 seconds was up. Now I'm going to simulate a body hitting the water by throwing in a couple of gallons of water and see if that triggers it. Yeah, it's on. I can hear the alarm. So that's it for the Hovara Pool Safety Alarm. You may really owe it to yourself to get something like this for your family or gift it to a friend. Just don't let tragedy strike like it happened to somebody that I knew. God bless. Have a great day.